answering?
Not answering his phone.
Stupid bitch.
The new segment on The Secret Life of a Vocaloid Teenager.
Whatever the heck. The voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
And her boyfriend still won't call her.
Oh no!
What are you trying to?
I'm not trying to impose anything. Isn't it Kaito? Aren't you calling Kaito?
That's all the time most of us get.
Gotta call you back.
What are you saying that for? He didn't even answer.
As a tour guide, it's still
Don't lie to your fans.
They're not my fans, they're her fans. She only has 2.
See
I'm like
the
3.
truth.
I am 3.
Including me.
Oh, and me.
And her.
And Kezia.
And Kezia.
That's it.
You have no friends.
You have no friends.
No, I have no subscribers besides you. Which is kind of sad.
I don't have anything.
Good.
This is what happens when you leave us alone in a hotel.
I'm just a Pokemon trainer, man. Stop. He's Hilda. Get my Slender Man to come
Hilda.
after you. Bear soda.
Ow. Hello, Teddy.
Got to pick up your phone.
What a nice teddy you have there. Be a shame if something were to happen to it.
Jeremy. Kaito, pick up your phone.
Maybe I'll answer it if I pick it up. Wait, what did he say? 21:30?
Huh?
Did he answer?
Nope.
Didn't he say 21:30? That was his
Yeah.
number. Okay, well then let's go get him.
Let's go hunt.
Let's go hunt that bitch. Bitch hunters.
We are bitch hunters.
Oh, never mind. That's trademarked.
Ah, my shoe. Will you stop it?
Should I bring Oshawott or Togepi?
Togepi, because you just got him.
Well, but
Actually, she mostly has an Oshawott, so we should bring him. Bring him!
Oshawott is smaller, but
Bring him, and you can wear him as a backpack.
I can.
What more do you need?
What more do I need? That's all I need in a man.
You need to wear him as a backpack?
Just so I can wear my backpack. Take him everywhere with me.
Okay.
Gumi's getting prepared to leave. Stop recording. You're just jealous of my awesome shoes.
What, DC?
I'll
No.
laugh if he answers my call.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be so mad. If he answers, I'm just Kaito!
You're gonna be like, that's not even me.
It's the Simon! He's cosplaying as Simon. And
Yeah.
if you don't know who that is, you're a loser. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, damn it. He's not answering my call either.
Chelsea, you should call him.
Nah.
Let's just go troll his door.
Troll the door.
Yeah, let's
Is that what the whole video is
door.
going to be about, Chelsea?
It's gonna be bad if
I mean,
someone's like,
Mexi.
this isn't
Well,
the
you already
movie
said
we're
that
looking
like 10
for.
times. Mexi. Her name is Mini Mexi.
That's true.
Her name isn't Chelsea anymore. Well, the video is on.
It's strength. Right now it's strength.
Do you want to bring Barry or no?
Togepi, you're so cute. You're so cute. You stay here with Slendy.
Barry can see it. Do you want us to bring her or no?
Hello?
Hello? What's the password?
No,